Hi, and welcome to our channel for your English. How do we talk about sports in English? What verbs are commonly used to speak about sports in English, and how can we use them correctly? Very often I hear foreigners making lots of mistakes when it comes to verbs in sports in English. And it tends to be a little confusing, but hopefully after you watch this video until the end, your confusion will disappear and you will know exactly what verbs to use when you talk about sports in English. Let's see. The most common is play. We use play with games such as football, tennis, rugby, hockey. How do we know when to use play? Play is normally used when we have either two opposing teams or two people, an opponent. Okay, and normally there's some sort of a ball or a disc or something involved. Okay, usually we say play. We can use play also when we play golf, because normally we play against someone else. Even if we play alone, we practice alone, we play golf because there's a ball, and usually we play against someone else, so there's an opponent. So play is used with opponents, opposing teams, and usually some kind of a ball or a disc or something like that. And another verb that is used with sports is go. And we use go usually with sports we can play alone. That's a good way of thinking about it so you don't make mistakes. Go running, go swimming, go jogging. Usually they end in ing because they're activities that we do. Some sort of competition, but they're actually more an activity there than a competition. So running, jogging, to go jogging, to go running. We don't say to play running, I play running. No, it sounds horrible. So you play football, but you go running. Okay, even if you run in a competition, we say to go running. And number 3, do is the third verb we use with sports in English. Do is normally used for martial arts. Okay, to do karate, to do judo, to do gymnastics as well, which in origin was a martial art. Gymnastics were born, fighters, warriors used gymnastics to keep in shape, to keep fit for their battles. So, we use do normally. Let me know what you think, and let me know some other examples of sports if you know of any different ones, but these are the 3 common verbs used in English to talk about sports. Thank you very much for watching. Please like our video, share, and subscribe. That's very important to our channel so we can keep doing this if you find it useful. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.